Ever pondered why some investors seem to have the Midas touch, turning their investments into gold while others struggle? The secret often lies in the art and science of stock analysis. Stock analysis, in layman's terms, is the process of examining and evaluating a stock within the market. It's akin to a detective looking for clues, piecing together a story about a company's past, present, and potential future. Let's kick off with the first reason why analyzing stocks is key: assessing the health of a company. Imagine being a doctor, except your patient is the company you're considering investing in. By analyzing key factors like financial statements, earnings reports, and debt levels, you can diagnose the company's health status. This can provide you with an early warning system to avoid potential investment pitfalls or, conversely, highlight opportunities for growth. The second reason is all about trend identification. Picture the stock market as a vast, ever-changing ocean. Just as a seasoned sailor understands the sea's currents and adjusts accordingly, a savvy investor identifies market trends and adapts their strategy. Analyzing stocks helps you spot these trends, allowing you to navigate the market more effectively and increase your chances of a successful investment journey. Thirdly, we have informed decision-making. Think about this. Would you cross a busy road blindfolded? Probably not. So why would you invest without understanding the company and the market conditions? Analyzing stocks gives you the knowledge and insight to make informed decisions, reducing the risk and ensuring your hard-earned money is put to the best possible use. In conclusion, analyzing stocks is much more than a mere number-crunching exercise. It's a vital process that helps assess a company's health, identify market trends, and facilitate informed decision-making. It's the compass that guides an investor through the exciting yet unpredictable world of stock investing. So, remember the key points we've discussed today. Stock analysis isn't just for the Wall Street whizzes. It's for anyone who wants to make informed investment decisions and navigate the stock market with confidence. Share your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more financial insights, and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, here's to making smart, informed investment decisions. Happy investing!